still section 6.2. This is a standalone question. This is question 9 on page 87 and it deserves its own particular attention. So here I go. The diagram shows a rectangular lawn. The gardener has dug up a rectangular area. I assume he's dug this up because it looks like it's, you know, earth coloured. He's going to use this little bit here as a vegetable patch. So I'm going to go here, veg patch, potatoes, onions, leeks, carrots, tomatoes, whatever he can grow. So that's the vegetable patch. Right, he's going to, right, he's done that. B and F are midpoints, really important. So that is the midpoints of this line, and B is the middle points of that line. Okay, so straight away, without any further ado, I know this length here must also be Y, and I bet I'm going to need that, and I'm sure this length here from there to there is X, and I bet I'm going to need that as well. So that's X and that's Y. So this is 2 X's and this is 2 Y's. Right, established. Form two equations, one with X and one with Y. Oh, okay then. They still want me to do my updates. We'll restart it later. Go away. Right, form 2 equations, one in X and one in Y. Well, look, it's a rectangular field. It says so quite nicely. This length has got to be the same as that length. So here's my first equation. I've got 13 minus 2y equals that across there, 2y. That's my first equation. Here's my second equation. I've got an x plus an x here, and that must equal 5x minus 9 because it's a rectangle. Here's my second equation. So 5x minus 9 equals that one plus that one, 2x's. 2x. Right then, solve your equations, part B, to find the values of x and y. Alright then, okay, so I want to say 13 equals 2y plus 2y. Just for a change, I think I brought this minus 1 over to this side and added. So I've got 13 equals 4y. So y is going to be 13 divided by 4, and that's going to be what? 3 1/4? Yeah, 3.25, and what we measured in this time, meters. So 3.25 meters. That's across there, the y bit. And let's just work out the x's. It's going to be 5x. Take away the 2x, and again bring this over to this side, and take the minus 9 next door and add. So that's going to equal to positive 9. So 3x is 9. X is going to be 9 divided by 3. Therefore 3 meters. So that's A and B done. What are the dimensions of the vegetable patch? Well, what have we got? So the vegetable patch is going to be is 3.25. Oops. 3.2. Don't know what I was thinking. Do it again nicely. It'll be 3.25 meters by 3 meters. It'll be the x times the y. Alright, they're the dimensions essentially. What are the dimensions of the outer rectangle? That is to say, the whole garden. Right, what have we got here? We've got 2x times 2y, or we can even say 13 minus 2y times x minus 9. These are the dimensions. So let's actually do it. Right, it's a lot easier to say 2x and 2y. Therefore, the garden is going to be 2x by 2y, which means 2 lots of 3. 2 lots of 3 by 2 lots of 3.25. I'm definitely going to run out of space. I'm going to come over here. Right, 2 3s are 6, so it's 6 meters by 3.25, 6.5. And there it is. So the whole garden is 6 meters across, which way? 6 meters across that way, and 6.25 meters across that way. Is that alright? So that's the dimensions of the garden. The vegetable patch is going to be just 3 by 3.25, and that's it. And I'm going to stop there. That just deserves its own little video. So do watch this one, and it's as complicated as they're ever going to get, certainly up to grade C.